Capitalism Zindabad. Welcome to my channel. My name is Yogasini aka Radhika Bose and I love shopping. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for taking out your precious time for my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Please help me reach 1 lakh subscribers so that I can get that plaque and then show it off to all of you. And if you are an existing subscriber, you know I love you. 2024 is going to be the YouTube year for me. I am going to post regularly every week. Yes, 2023 bhi wohi tha, but I just start everything with a lot of enthusiasm. Then I get bored and then I run away. Like most of my relationships, same pattern, same routine. So the plan is I am going to post 3 times a week. One day it's going to be reaction and a roast video where I analyze and pass my opinion on kachra. I love kachra. Second will be a weekly update of my workout, diets, what I do, what all extracurricular activities I'm doing. Just like a mini week vlog. I can't do daily vlogs. It's just too much work. मेरे पास time energy नहीं है मैं नहीं करने वाली daily vlog. Weekly vlog कर सकती हूँ but मेरे style का vlog, not that मैं सुबह उठी looking so fab. No one wakes up looking fab. And the third video I'm going to post every week hopefully is my weekly favorites from all the sites I shop from. I have a shopping problem. Do you have a shopping problem? Let me know in the comments whether you have a shopping problem like I do because I love capitalism. The first item on this week ka favorite is this Ashok Beauty Tool 4-pack makeup finger puff mini finger blender for professionals. ये एक छोटू सा मिनी सा फिंगर ब्लेंडर है. Sounds really bad. खरीदना जरूरी नहीं है. फिंगर से भी काम चलता है. But I saw the product, I saw the size and I was like मेरे लिए खरीदना जरूरी है. For I don't know what reason but I bought it. But I must say this chotu sa finger blender does the job very well. Like look at the way it's just blending the concealer into my skin. It's kind of giving me a flawless look without looking too cakey. I like the mini size and the way it fits into the finger and I can like precision से मतलब spot अच्छे तरह से without messing up the rest of the makeup. I can blend my under eye, my eyeshadow, my powder, all of the makeup stuff. You know यार, you know more about makeup than I do. छोटू सा है, पोर्टेबल सा है, कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हो, घुमा भी दोगे. I'm telling you, you will lose it. I've already lost one. I think I'm going to lose more. टचअप्स के लिए perfect है. धोते कैसे, इसका क्लीनअप कैसे करते हैं नहीं मालूम. I guess you just buy more of it. Capitalism. You buy and you go on buying. And your दिल is never खुश. In case आप में से किसी को मालूम है इसको कैसे धोते हैं, please let me know in the comments. It'll be very helpful and I won't have to buy more of it. Oh, by the way, it costs rupees 200 for these 4 pieces beauty blender finger. I don't know. I'm guessing it's cheap. Or am I being fooled? आप बता दो 200 for these 4 pieces is cheap, expensive, did I waste my money? Let me know! Second item on my weekly favorites is this carpet. Azan Carpets hand woven plain shag collection super soft microfiber silk touch rugs with 2-inch pile height. Pile height? What is pile height? I got the 3x5 white one. Because deep down I want to be a fashion influencer, Instagrammer with my white carpet, my beige walls, my beige clothes, my beige everything. I want to be monotone and colorless. So I got this white carpet. I don't know what is this obsession with white everything for influencers. 2 हफ्ते भी नहीं हुए और ये carpet almost आधा black हो चुका है, grey हो चुका है. So what's with the obsession with why? Quality of this carpet is A1. I really like chilling on it. It's very soft. It's probably collecting a lot of dust, but I don't care. I don't have asthma. Not now. पता नहीं हो भी सकता है, God knows. This carpet is for 2500. I don't know whether it's cheap or expensive. मुझे तो reasonable लगा and the seller is a very nice person. मेरा item थोड़ा delay हो रहा था, so he personally called up and told me थोड़ा delay होगा, so please don't worry, your package is coming. And in case you want some any other carpet, let me know. I can help you directly without Amazon. Let's not make these apps more rich. They're already billionaires, trillionaires, है ना? The third item on my weekly favorites is this Agro Ultra Water Flosser. Listen, I am obsessed with my teeth. मैं lucky नहीं हूँ to be born with straight teeth. मेरे बहुत टेढ़े, मेरे ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे दांत है. Invisalign भी करवाया, almost 2.5 लाख spend करके कुछ नहीं हुआ. थोड़ा बहुत change आया but abhi bhi you can see it is so crooked. And because of my crooked teeth, the brush doesn't go in the right places and staining hoti hai, bahut sare problems hote hain, khana atak jata hai. So I am obsessed with my teeth, and this flosser, this dental flosser for $14.99, $14.99 plus, matlab inclusive of GST, really helps me to take out khana which is stuck in my teeth idhar udhar. I use this water flosser after every meal. I rinse my mouth. It's very important to wash your mouth after every meal. I rinse it, and then I use this flosser to take out stuff which is stuck in my teeth. Because I'm getting old, I have more gaps in my teeth, so khana aur bhi atakta hai, and if you're eating non-veg, then all those bits get stuck, and you should always floss so that gum infection na ho ya any tooth decay na ho. I don't know, I'm not a dentist, but I'm just obsessed with teeth and keeping it clean, so I got this flosser. आपको चाहिए खरीद लो, नहीं चाहिए मत खरीदो, आपकी मर्जी. Practice your own free will. I like the product. I've been using it for a couple of months now. I use it every day. I sometimes put mouthwash and some staining, tooth staining removing.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Liquid, I don't know what I'm saying. I put it, I floss. Be careful. Sometimes I गलती से थोड़ा दूसरा बटन टिप जाता है and the water goes everywhere. So yeah, make sure that doesn't happen. Yeah, buy it, don't buy it, as you wish. The fourth item on my weekly favorites is the Swiss Beauty eyeliner. Listen, I am a Lakme, Maybelline, Kat Von D eyeliner user for donkey's years. वो 90 रुपीज़ का लैक्मे का आता है ना, आई स्टिल यूज इट. पर मुझे हैलोवीन के लिए वो स्केच पेन वाले चाहिए थे, स्केच पेन आईलाइनर वाला, एंड माई मेबेलिन वन आई बॉट इट एंड इट ड्राइड इन अ वीक. सो आई वाज लाइक आई नीड अनदर आईलाइनर, सस्ता वाला. सो आई वेंट ऑन Amazon and I looked for it and I saw this. It looked nice. I bought it, and since then I've only been using this eyeliner. Like, look at this. I love it. I love it so much that I bought it for my mother. I bought it for an auntie. I'm constantly saying, you know what, if you want a good sketch pen eyeliner, get the Swiss Beauty one. It stays for a long time. I have to use a cleansing balm and a cleanser to get rid of eyeliner. It says it's waterproof. I don't know, and I don't care whether it's waterproof or not. At the end of the day, I need to take out my eyeliner, so really doesn't matter. But I like the sketch pen part of it because it glides really well without, you know, tugging and usko redo, then you become a panda. No, it glides very well. It moves smooth. I can just swip and finish with my eye makeup, which is mostly eyeliner, lip gloss, and yeah, that's it. The Swiss Beauty eyeliner is for $194. My Lakme one is 90 rupees, which is much cheaper, but that's just like the paintbrush types. This is a sketch pen type, so makes sense. I don't know, is it too expensive, too cheap? Are there better eyeliners in the market that I should try? Because I love doing my winged eyeliners. That's what I only do. The last item on my weekly favorites is this winter fleece leggings. Delhi में बहुत ठंड है. We have frozen all our body parts. Heater के सामने बैठे रहते हैं सारा दिन. That's what we do because it is so cold and I don't like the cold. But I like to wear short skirts and short dresses in winters also. उसके नीचे तो कुछ पहनना है ना to save yourself from this freezing cold. So I got this fleece वाला leggings that I've been seeing all over social media, Instagram, Facebook, X, Threads, everywhere. I wanted to get it last year, but suddenly it got so expensive thanks to this influencing that I wasn't going to spend like 3,000 on a pair of leggings. Sorry, no thanks. But this year it was cheaper. I turant in November only bought it, and I was like, इस winter के लिए I am prepared with this fleece leggings. It's skin color, but उसके ऊपर एक black legging sort of a effect है, so it looks as if you're just wearing black sexy stockings, but उसके अंदर है fleece to keep you all warm and cozy. And I quite like this product. It stretches quite a bit. It's comfortable. You know, वो veggie नहीं होता, which is a good thing. It makes my butt look really nice, and it serves the purpose. I can wear it with skirts, shorts, dresses, with a pair of boots, and it looks so hot. Do you need any of these products? Do you like any of these products? Let me know in the comments. What's your take? मुझे देख के मेरे से influence हो कि please don't buy any of these products. In case you think you need it and it'll benefit you, then get it. But I am trying to de-influence you by influencing me to not shop. Just to shop a bit, not too much. Don't go mad during sales, especially Zara sales. Stay away from that. Yes. मैं बस यहाँ कंटेंट बना रही हूँ और अपने फेवरेट्स अपने ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. Nothing more, nothing less. So Do not get influenced. And in case you do get influenced and you love capitalism as much as I do, I will share all the links below in the description box. You can check it. I am not affiliated to any of it. I haven't been paid by any of these brands. They don't even know I exist. I just bought it. I saw the product. I bought the product. I like the product. I'm sharing with you. Next week we'll come back with a new video. क्या है वो video? पता नहीं, अभी तक decide नहीं किया है. And have a lovely weekend. I don't know when I'm posting this. Okay, bye.